Hi guys, today I will be doing a quick unboxing of this Fitbit Charge 5 watch. So showing here Fitbit Charge, so 24/7 heart rate and active zone minutes, stress management, score, EDA sensor, health notifications, built-in GPS for pace and distance, then health metrics like breathing rate and SP02. Okay, so I open this now so you can see. So maybe this part. Now it's open. You can just pull it out. Yeah, here's a watch. So there's some information here, like you can download the app for Fitbit. Then here's the watch. Open this one. Looks really cool and small. Okay. Yep. This is about the same size as the old Fitbit. Okay. Then what's inside here? Okay. So extra strap, and probably this one is the charger. Come on, yeah. So here's the charger. Okay, so want to open this now. Try to remove this cover protection. Okay, here it is. So probably this one needs to be charged, so you can place this one. So this one is now magnetic type. Yeah, unlike before, you need to clip in, but this one you can just align this one to the dots here, then it will be charging with the USB. Okay, probably I charge this one because it seems that it is still no charge, so cannot see anything. We'll charge this one first, then I'll come back. You can see it's showing download the app. So I will do the download, and I'll let you know in the description how it goes. So again, thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe.